How to work with arrays in assembly for Linux 64 bits. First, we need to create an assembly code and create the structure of an assembly programming language code. This is the section where the variables will be located. This is the section where code will be located. And we defined main as to be the entry point for our program. If we want to define an array, we will define it in section data like this. A define byte. This is an array of bytes, and let's put the values of those bytes being 3, 4, and 5. In order to access individual values of the array, we can move them into byte size registers like AL. So we can copy into AL the value from A, which is the first element of the array. We can also copy into BL the value of the array plus 1. This is the equivalent in C of the following instruction. A of 1. If we want to declare an array of zeros, of multiple zeros, we can do this again in the data section by declaring B times 10 defined byte 0. So this is going to be an array of 10 zeros. And since we have zeros there, we can store the values from the registers into the second array. So we can move into at the address of B the value from AL, and also move into B at the address B plus 1 byte the value of BL. We can also use index registers in order to access the values of the array. So let's define RCX as being 0. We will also make 0 the RAX register and RBX register in order to see them better into the debugger. Now, since we have 0 into RCX, which can be used as an index, we could do something like move into AL the value from the array B plus RCX. We can increment the value of RCX if you want to use it as an index, and then we can store into AL the value again from the array B plus RCX. In order to see the result, we will save the file. We are going to create an object file using NASM to assemble the code. we use the -G option for debugging, and we will going to create an ELF64 object file for Linux. Now we have the object file. From the object file, we're going to use GCC